Hey YouTube, welcome to my backyard garden in the Woodlands, Texas. We're about zone 8B, 9A-ish. But I've fed my birds black sunflower seeds, and this is my bird feeder. I've ended up with these sunflowers all over the yard. So I just leave them there because I'm all for the no-mow march and I'm trying to support the pollinators. And then I have these really cute little yellow sunflowers popping up everywhere. And so I'm excited because now the birds can eat the sunflower seeds from the actual sunflowers. So that's my exciting news for today. My pretty little first sunflower bloom. And then I have these like wine cups. They're still not bloomed yet, but we're waiting on everything to bloom in the spring. Happy spring. Y'all have a great weekend.